Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 40 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through this menu and find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called vibration, and once you find it, tap on it, and here we have 3 levels of vibration. We have low, medium and high. Select the one you like and then tap on yes. After you tap on yes, you will have a preview of it, basically. So select the one you like, and like I said, confirm by tapping on yes. And then you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.